This is GadgetStop321, and in today's video I will be reviewing the ZAGGkeys cover for the iPad mini. I chose this keyboard because I like the look of white and bare aluminum, and I appreciate the fact that the keys are gray. I'm afraid white keys would have gotten dirty. If you're looking for a keyboard case that provides protection for the back of your iPad, check out the ZAGGkeys Folio. On the other hand, if you want something less bulky, this is the best option. I like this design. The hinge is attractive and the finish matches my iPad. However, the adhesive rubber feet that were provided are kind of worthless. The manufacturer may have intended that they be placed over the screws, but since the screws are slightly recessed, I didn't think the feet would stick. I would recommend going to a hardware store and getting something more substantial. The hinge is lined with silicone, so to attach the keyboard, you simply align the iPad on the keys, making sure that the volume buttons are showing. Then, just press the iPad into the hinge. This may require a little pressure on each side. Now, just because your iPad is beginning to look like a MacBook, don't start thinking that you'll be able to open it with one hand. The hinge is stiff, but there's a nice little cutout to make two-handed opening a little easier. The keyboard has smart magnets that wake the iPad when it's open and put it to sleep when closed. There's a pairing button and an on-off switch on the right front corner. Typing is a little cramped, but it's much better than using the on-screen keyboard. I don't mind the shrunken one key, but being a math teacher, typing plus or equals very often does get irritating. This keyboard cover has very nice backlighting. The color and the brightness are both adjustable. I've used the ZAGGkeys cover with my iPad mini for an entire school year. I wouldn't want to write a book on it, but it's great for light word processing. It's portable, but keep in mind it will double the weight of your iPad mini. But it's also compact and attractive, and most importantly, it increases my productivity, so I would definitely recommend it. You can see here how securely the iPad fits into the keyboard, and to remove it, it's easiest if you slide one side out first, then the other. Now the quality control ZAGG has isn't the greatest. One thing that really bothered me when I first got the keyboard cover was you notice the gap right here is quite a bit smaller than the gap on this side, but it hasn't affected the operation of the keyboard. Once the iPad's in it, it's not lopsided at all and you don't even notice it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe.